Ever wonder how machines make decisions? It's not magic, it's decision trees. Picture this. You're at a crossroads with signs pointing in different directions. Each choice leads you closer to your destination. That's exactly how decision trees work in machine learning. And today, we're diving into the powerful tool that helps machines think. A decision tree is like a flowchart that guides machines to make decisions step by step. It starts with a question called the root node. Each possible answer leads to a branch, and those branches connect to more questions or outcomes called leaves. For example, let's say you're training a model to predict if someone will like a new movie. The tree might ask, have they watched a similar genre? Did they like the director's other films? Each answer narrows down the possibilities until the machine lands on a yes or no. Why are decision trees so popular? First, they're easy to understand, even for non-techies. You can literally map out how the machine makes its choices. Second, they're versatile. You can use them for classification problems, like sorting emails into spam or not spam, or for regression tasks, like predicting house prices. But here's the kicker. Decision trees aren't perfect. If they're too complex, they can overfit the data, meaning they perform great in training but poorly in real-world scenarios. That's where techniques like pruning come in, simplifying the tree to improve accuracy. So, the next time you hear about machine learning making smart predictions, think of decision trees. They're the ultimate guide, helping machines navigate complex choices with logic and precision. Ready to explore the power of decision trees yourself? Whether you're a budding data scientist or just curious about how machines think, decision trees are a fascinating place to start. Check out the course on Coursera below to start learning about decision trees.